Mechanical Design Technology program is a 2-year associate degree program here at Chippewa Valley Technical College. We are one of 2 programs in the state that's ABET accredited. Within our program, we also have a 1-year certificate that you can take independently or as you take the 2-year program. The Mechanical Design Technology program is an amazing program for students to learn design, drafting in the modern world. If you think back historically, people used to draw drawings with pencils and paper and create manual blueprints. Here, we teach you the skills needed to model, design, and build things in the modern mechanical world. During the first year, our program is computer-based, right? So we're using SolidWorks, AutoCAD Inventor, AutoCAD 2D. Then those students come into this room, which is our prototyping lab. We have over 25 3D printers. We have a mini mill, lasers, brake press, all for students to bring their ideas and designs to life using additive manufacturing or subtractive manufacturing.
I've learned a lot about the different kinds of additive manufacturing, 3D printers, different kinds of filaments, what can be used within the machines, different materials. I've learned a lot about SolidWorks and CAD. I've spent a lot of time in here testing out, prototyping different kinds of things for classes and for personal. I like the lab personally. It's like welcoming. You get to play around with all of the machines here, and I think it's fun to be in here.
Probably the favorite part of it is learning SolidWorks. I had some experience with AutoCAD, but after coming to cvtc, I gained a lot of experience with SolidWorks, and I learned how to use AutoCAD in a much more professional manner.
Employment opportunities are endless here in Wisconsin, the Chippewa Valley, and even farther. If a company designs something, there is a need for a design engineer or a mechanical designer. I love this job because I'm able to think up new things and create them and produce them. And if that's something you enjoy, this is the program for you.